Good morning, everybody. So I'm getting ready to go on an adventure. I'm really excited. So this is gonna be the kickstart of the vlog. I am making breakfast. Vlogs to it. Say hi. Hi.
Take this from my house.
We're going on.
He said Alex. He said Alex gave it to him. No, that was.
We are going on an adventure, and I won't tell them where the adventure is.
I know where it is.
No, you do. Oh yeah, you do.
I've been there like 1,000 times.
Okay, so basically a little bit of history about Lando, South Carolina. The textile mill village of Lando in Chester County was established in 1760. The area was originally known as Walker's Mill during the American Revolution. So basically it was an old mill town and it was thriving, and they, you know, were making a lot of money, and it was like this big thriving town. And where we're walking right now, there was a bunch of houses, and there was a mill and factories and things and a railroad, and literally it just kind of died off. It said the mill prospered for nearly 100 years, creating blankets sold worldwide until finally closing its doors in 1992. So today, where thousands of residents once lived, only about 20 people remain. So basically, like, for some reason, I guess after the mill closed, it just kind of died out. So my friend that actually showed me this place grew up there. There was actually like houses, and it was a full community, and literally, as you can see, there is nothing left. Like, it's as if no one ever lived there, and that's the part that really blows my mind. It's like no one or anything ever lived there. It's so crazy, but it was really cool to see these little pieces that were still left behind. So this little path that we walk down here is now known as Lover's Lane, and basically people would go down there, you know, to make out and stuff, you know the deal, and prostitutes would go there, and apparently it's still known as Lover's Lane, just the outdoor version. So there's that. It was really cool. It's like a nice little trail or whatever. Oh, the big one? I knew before you even, like, I had to just looked at it, and then I was like, it had to be that one.
That if you sit under it at night, that you can hear the rope swinging.
Oh, shit.
I ain't never sat under it.
That's creepy. I got the vibe the second I looked at the thing.
Oh, yeah, how she hauled that thing that made us use for it before she moved down there. Down there where we used to catch bud. I don't know what they turned it into now.
So as you can see, a couple houses did survive, and there's probably about 10 houses in the entire town, and people actually do still live there. It's just a very deserted kind of ghost town. We did get up to the museum, which was, I believe, an old factory that they turned into a museum. We actually wanted to go inside, but it was closed, which really sucked. But we did get some cool pictures in front of the museum and some cool pictures in front of the firehouse.
He's curious.
He wants to know what's going on. He's like, will you play with me? And then after that, we went to the abandoned schoolhouse. So the schoolhouse was, you know, obviously a big deal as well. But once it closed down, it kind of went to crap as well. There's a legend that during the war, one of the nurses had her head cut off by the opposing team, like one of the opposing soldiers, and apparently her ghost haunts the schoolhouse. Now, when we were in there, I'm not even gonna lie, like, I definitely felt something was there. So I don't know if it was her or what, but we did not see her. However, in one of my pictures, I was looking and I swear I saw someone in the window, but I could just be tripping. I don't know. So we're at the abandoned schoolhouse right now. It's so fucking creepy. Guys, I'm so excited. Jax!
We are way too high. We are way too high.
This is super creepy. Really? Okay, I'm coming.
I got that.
Yes, baby girl. So when we got to the schoolhouse, obviously there's lots and lots and lots of profanities written all over the walls. My friend actually had her name written on the wall in pencil from when she used to hang out there with her friends. So that was kind of cool. But I did feel this really strong presence in the front room, and there was like a bag moving in the corner and there was no wind in that room. So I don't know, but I really truly felt like the ghost was in there. And later on, my friend told me that that is where she's supposed to be seen, in that same front room. But it's just so crazy that like once upon a time, this was a like actual functioning school, and there was like children running around and learning, and teachers, and you know, they're putting on plays and things, and now it looks like this. Like, it's just so mind-blowing to me. I love my vlog camera, guys. You don't know. So after that, we ventured on down another trail towards the abandoned mill. So basically the only thing left standing was an elevator shaft that was kind of in pretty bad shape. But really cool that the elevator shaft was the only thing left standing after everything was all gone. And then we went a little further down to where the old train tracks were. So basically, for the people who worked at the mill or the factory and they didn't live in Lando, they lived in the next town over the water, which was Edgemoor, they would basically take the train from their house to work and from work back. So there was a cute little train that ran between the towns. So my camera died at this point and I had to switch to my phone, which is pretty cool because I have an iPhone 11 and the camera's pretty awesome. Guys, it was freezing this day. We were so cold, but it was totally worth it because we got these amazing pictures and it was just amazing views, and it was just so beautiful, and I'm so thankful that I got to see and experience this. I'm at the waterfall. So the last stop on our adventure was this abandoned guard post. So the stories have it, according to my friend, that the last guard that was standing watch on this tower committed suicide on this bar at the top there. And the legend is that if you come at night, you can see him swinging. Obviously, I didn't want to get too close to it, but of course, kids will be kids, and the kids wanted to climb up there and go inside the post, and they got this cool little video. Our adventure is complete. We had fun. Soraya! Now we're going to get McDonald's. So that concludes our adventure to Lando, South Carolina. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I definitely have way more adventures planned, so you're definitely going to see a lot of these, especially this summer. Leave me a comment. I will be sure to respond. And as always, guys, love and light.